Not gonna lie, my face feels a little bit stingy after I just used that primer, so I hope I don't break out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've never done on my channel before, which is upload. I'm here, I'm trying, we're trying to get our lives together. Today I'm going to be using all PR, but make it drugstore, but make it soft glam, but try it for the first time. So yeah, I'm gonna take all of the PR that I've gotten that is drugstore and I'm going to use it in today's video. Give you guys my honest opinion about these products and if you guys should go try them and buy them. Basically do like a first impressions and give you guys my honest opinion about them and see if you guys really like them. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue watching. I'm gonna start off with using some Colourpop, and this is the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. Hey, no, don't start that. Tui, stop. No, Tui. And hopefully this doesn't break me out because my skin has been a little bit sensitive lately. But so far it feels pretty light and it has a little bit of stickiness, so maybe that'll help the makeup kind of stick and stay. So today I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the color M80, which is caramel beige. And then I'm also going to mix that with the new Clean and Fresh Skin Milk in the color medium, which is 560. I'm meant to use the medium tan, which is 570. I'm not gonna lie, my face feels a little bit stingy after I just used that primer, so I hope I don't break out. You guys see how dewy it makes my skin look? So I like that, but I'm feeling a little itchy. I am not mad at this coverage right now. This coverage is actually really nice. It's a little slightly dark, but we're gonna brighten it back up, my highlighter anyway, so that's okay. But this would definitely be a nice summer shade. It does have a tinge of yellow in it too, which I like, so that's good too. The dewiness is really showing through, which I like, so that's good. Just got a little bit of discoloration, so I'm kind of really trying to go in with that and cover that up a bit. I like the coverage of both of these actually. Clean and Fresh has a nice dewy finish, so it gives me a nice glow. My Fenty Beauty and my Pat McGrath, those are my two favorites to put together. So these two right now are actually doing the job. I'm actually liking how it's looking so far. So I'm gonna use this new Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer. This is in the color Sugar Light. This is a little bit light for me, but we're gonna make it work. It does have a yellow undertone, so I'm not too mad at that. It's kind of hard to find a good range with the new concealers. I feel a lot of them have kind of a pink undertone, which I'm not too much of a fan of either. I love Neutrogena. I've worked with them in the past and they do have great products. I just wish there was more color range and more yellowy undertones, and it was kind of hard to find my color. This one's about the closest, and I had to mix it with another concealer that I have already, which is from Maybelline, so this is about as close as we're gonna get. So next I'm going to be using the Black Opal True Color foundation stick in Warm Almond. And I'm just going to take that on to the outer part of my face here. Also, I kind of let this other foundation dry too much, so it's kind of hard to move these products around a bit. Before I set my face, I'm going to just use this Pretty and Fresh Hyaluronic Setting Mist from Colourpop. And just have all the product melt together. Ow, Tui, you're scratching me and it hurts. Stop scratching me. I'm gonna take the new shades. This is Translucent and Banana from CoverGirl. These are the True Blend Mineral Powder Loose Setting Powder. Never used them before, so we're gonna see what it do. Actually, I'm not mad so far at my face. At the base, my base looks pretty good. I'm just scared, I'm a little nervous because one, I've never used these, and then two, I don't want to mess up the makeup look because so far I'm really liking the base of my face right now. It comes with the sponge, but I'm not really a big fan of this, so I'm not gonna use that. I'm kind of scared. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'll blend the banana and the translucent together, get them around to get them nice and friendly. I feel like I need a little bit more like under eye concealer. I don't know why, but I just still feel like I can see the darkness. With this Neutrogena Radiant Concealer, this new one, it's a little bit thin. So if you are that kind of girl that likes the very bare minimum like type of thing, then I get that's your jive. My under eye has to be, she got to be right and tight, okay? I love a nice bright under eye. I know that's like not everybody's jive, but it's mine. Now I feel good. Like now I'm feeling more secure. I feel like my credit is going up. I feel good. Ooh, I'm scared. Oh my gosh. I hope it comes out right. Let's smooth it out first too before I put it under my eye. All right. Okay, so far I like the color. All right. Okay. It's actually pretty smooth. Like, I'm not mad at it. It's actually pretty smooth. It looks good. I'm gonna try to set the rest of my face with it in the areas that I usually am used to setting. And I don't know how I feel. It's not bad. It's just, I'm not sure. I'm not really sure if I like how this is going. It doesn't look bad. I'm sure it doesn't even look bad on camera. I just like around here, around my mouth a little bit, it's a little bit like a cast, like a white cast. So I'm not really like a big fan of that. But I think once I set it, maybe it'll like melt into the skin and it won't even look bad. So next I'm going to be going into, we're gonna do like a little soft glam moment. It's gonna be a little bit more springy because we are actually getting into spring. It's March actually, so I wanted to try something that was like really not too bright, but like super soft and very pretty and like blushy and cute and all that. So I'm gonna use Baby Got Peach from Colourpop. I got it in the mail, guys. When I got it in the mail, it kind of fell apart. So they have some very beautiful colors in here though. I especially love this one in the middle here. This one right here. Excuse my nails, I need to get my nails done. But I really like these colors. I'm gonna try something like blushy and pretty, and then I'm just gonna take this brush from Colourpop, and it's the E29 brush or E19 brush. I got this in the Bare Face collection or Bare Essentials collection. Really good. I use them all the time. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this E19 brush and I'm gonna go in with Darlin. And then I'm just gonna go back in again and kind of just darken up my crease with the same color, Darling. And then I'm gonna go in with the color Perky, which is the shade right here, and just go right into the crease still. Just kind of build up on that color using the same brush. Then I'm gonna keep going in with that same color and just build up more. Then I'm gonna go into the color Get Even and a little bit into Half Baked for even more definition or whatever. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and I'm just going to carve out myself a little cut crease situation. Kind of really blend that in so it can dry as well. So when I start to apply the other shadow, it doesn't really like stick to the brush too much. So I'm gonna take this really pretty shade. It's called Centerfold, not Counterfold. Centerfold. It's this nice pretty peachy color right here in the middle. I'm gonna kind of blend that and Darlin together, and then I'm just gonna apply that to my lid. This is really not looking soft glam anymore. We're gonna still say it is. Really just like blend those colors together. So right now I'm going to use the new Revlon Color Stay Brow Creator, and this is in the color Dark Brown. I usually use NYX or Benefits Precisely My Brow. I just love mini brows, like the mini brow pencils, or the really fine brow pencils, because it helps me like control it better, and this definitely gives me that vibe. So this is actually a little bit darker than I would usually go for my brow. I usually go like a shade or two lighter than my actual brow, which I don't really like having like a dark brow, because my brow hairs are dark, but I like to go a little bit lighter so it doesn't look so like, I don't know, so it doesn't look so dark. Okay, so another thing, it doesn't go down. If you go like all the way up, it doesn't retract. So I don't think I like that. So next we're gonna go in with some blush, and I'm gonna be using the Clean Fresh CoverGirl blush. I'm gonna try flushed first. This one's kind of calling my name, and it kind of feels like it would be closest to this eye look situation I got going on here. Yeah, I feel like this would be more up my alley. It's very subtle, for sure. And also, does anyone else experience their blush going away throughout the day? Or is that just me? Because I feel like my blush, like, as much as I apply, it goes away by the end of the day. Like, my blush is completely gone. I'm like, what? Where is it going? I actually have some of the Colourpop. This is the Coconut collection that they had. I'm scared to use this one because this one looks a little ashy. I don't want to mess up the makeup look because it's going pretty well so far. So this is the color. This is called Talk to the Palm. And I'm gonna use this Colourpop brush, F5 brush. A little bit under what we've already kind of created. I'm gonna take a little bit of these glow sticks. Okay, so this one's so glitzy. This looks like a gold one. So we're gonna go with this one. We're gonna take this, The Real Thing from Colourpop. This is a highlighter. Swirl her around here. I'm gonna add some highlight to the face. Just gonna take a little bit of that contour my nose. Take a little bit of this Glisten 4th of Ray Beauty from Colourpop. I'm just gonna hope and pray that this is like basically what my vitamin nectar water is. I hope it's like the same kind of effect because this shit right here, excuse me, this stuff right here is so good. It's one of my favorites. This is all I set my makeup with and I'm almost out. So Fresh Beauty, can you send me some more? Okay, ooh, we're looking very glowy though. I'm gonna take the KK Beauty. The reason why I'm using this is because one, this is one of my favorites, and then two, you can get this at Ulta, so I kind of considered it a little bit of drugstore. I think these are like 12 bucks each, so not too expensive. Still a little bit on the more expensive side. I mean, like, you can get a lip liner for $3 at the beauty supply store. However, these are one of my favorites, so I really like to use this one, and I feel like it's really accessible, so that's why I'm throwing this in here. And then I'm gonna take these two little lip combos right here. I just like swatched it and I was like, oh, this is pretty. So I'm going to take first the Revlon Ultra Vinyl Lip Gloss and Lip Polish, this little bad girl right here. I like the consistency of this. I like the pigmentation of this too. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this Plump from Ciate London. And I believe they're more on the affordable side too, if I'm not mistaken. This is in the color Blossom. And it's like this really pretty, like, nice natural nude shade. I'm just gonna take that right on top. It's a lot more glossier than the Revlon one. I got these lashes from my local beauty supply store. These lashes are so bomb. They were 10 bucks and they give me like Lily Lashes vibes. Those like really nice lashes, like the Miami lashes, like 10 bucks. Local beauty supply. Sorry guys, I can't push you on to some really fire lashes that you can get online. However, I am telling you, do not sleep on your local beauty supply because they be having the bops, okay? Then I'm gonna go back in and add a little bit of mascara to my lower lash line. I'm going to add a little bit of my like little so I'm gonna add my little fake beauty marks. And I'm using the Colourpop liquid liner in brown. Just like a little shum. A little shum. All right, I gotta go find my earrings and then I'll be done. I promise, I'll be done. That concludes the video, guys. What do you think? Tell me down in the comments below what you guys think about the products that I used today, as far as usability, and just like colors, range. Does it even have the range to go the range? No. Does it even have the durability? You guys think that some of the products you wouldn't use, some of the products you would? I personally think for me, I would give most of the products a 7 out of 10. But as far as the overall, I feel like this looks really, really good for drugstore. Drugstore is kind of giving us a little bit of more luxurious makeup teas. We got a little bit stuff to work with now, especially with, you know, things being a little bit more on the pricier side. Like, this is actually pretty good. And I feel like for all the things that I got in PR, none of this stuff I bought, so all this stuff is that I got in PR, this is actually really, really good. And this is not me, like, you know, just trying to appease brands or, you know, like not getting kicked off of PR lists, none of that. I'm being super, super open and honest. Like, for the most part, all of these products, I feel like I would definitely tell you guys to try it for yourself and see what you like. I love the lip products. Those are my favorites. As far as, the only thing I didn't get sent is the KK Beauty. I didn't get sent that. But these two, I'm a fan. I'm definitely a fan, especially Ciate. Like, this is really, really cute. Overall, my face and everything, a 7.5, 7 out of 10. Some of it, I'm kind of creasing a bit already, and I haven't even like really went out and done anything just yet. And like before my makeup is done, I'm already kind of creasing, which I think that has to do with the setting powder that I used. Usually I use a Pat McGrath or I use Fenty, and I really don't like deal with that much creasing. But yeah, I'm already kind of creasing a bit. Also, the eyeshadow, I had a little bit of time like trying to like really blend. I love Colourpop's eyeshadow quads, or whatever you want to call them. I really do. I feel like they're really great for how inexpensive they are, but I did have to work with them a little bit more versus things that I use that are a little bit more on the high end side. Give me your guys' opinions on what you guys think about the products that I used today. And yeah, if you guys like these kind of videos where I kind of just go through all of the PR that I have and give you guys my very honest opinion, or like do a first impressions type of thing, let me know down in the comments, guys. I would love to do more of these. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. And so will Tui. Because he's being so bad right now. Oh my god. He's so cute though. Oh my god. Look at this freaking dog. He's so cute. Oh. No, don't lick my face. I'm not done yet. Okay? Gotta get down. Also, make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. That helps me. It helps me. It helps me. It helps you. It helps us both together. And I will see you guys next time.